Hello, greetings from Excentra Business Solutions. In this video, the following topics will be covered. Today, we will learn how to create a new user and how to give him limited access to a particular store or a warehouse which we shall specify. This access is applicable for the modules like purchase, sales, inventory, manufacturing and retail. So let's start. First, let's create a user for a particular store or a warehouse. So to create a new user, go to the menu, go to settings, under user and companies, click on users. Here you will find various users that has been already created in the system. So to create a new user, click on this create button. Here you can see various options that needs to be configured. Let's say we will create a new user for store 1. Here you can give a name to a user. Let's say store 1 user. And here you can also enter the user email address if created any. So for example, store1user@gmail.com. Here you can select the warehouse for which you want to create a user. So let's select store 1. Now here, as you can see, this restrict warehouses or location option. Once you select this option, here in the allowed warehouses, you can select the warehouse or a store for which you want to give him the access. So we will select store 1. And now the user can have access only for this store. Now we will give access to the user for various modules. Let's say we want to give the access to the user for the sales, inventory, manufacturing and purchase module. So here in sales we will select user own documents only. In inventory we will select user. In manufacturing we will select user, and in purchases we will select user. Now the user have access to the above modules, but it is limited to only these documents. For example, for sales module, he can access the documents, that is sales order. For inventory, he has the access for the documents like internal transfer, stock counting, stock adjustment and scrap. For purchase module, he has the access for the documents of purchase order and purchase return. And for the manufacturing module, he has the access to the document of manufacturing orders. Now the user will only have the access to create these documents and could not process them, which means that the user cannot post these documents. So now if you want to allow the user to also process or post these documents, you need to give him the access for the same. Let's say you want to give access to the user to process the sales order document. So for that, in the allowed locations, you need to enter this location, that is partner location customer. Partner location customer. So similarly, you can give the access to the user to process these documents by entering the respective locations in the allowed locations as shown before. After doing all the setup, you can select the save button and the access to the user has been given for the above modules. This is how we can create a new user and give access to the user for various modules to create and process the documents for a particular store or a warehouse.